Guys, I'm telling you as a friend, please stop using ChatGPT like your best friend or some magic answer box. It is so much more than that. Now, there's so many freaking features, it's too much to get into, but the basic ones I need you to understand. It's the ones that's going to customize it so you can use it as a tool. All right, you run around with a stick and it's a freaking lightsaber. Okay, you don't understand. All right, so what we're now basically talk about is customization. If you look way over there, you're gonna see your profile after you already have your ChatGPT profile. Normally, you used to see in bunches of just chats, just endless supplies of chats. We're gonna break it down into projects. As a free account, you can still use your project folders, and this is important. You're going to be able to go ahead and personalize it. There's a lot of different ways you could do that, from the basic to the system and everything like that. But your personalization is your custom instructions. Being able to tell it how you want it to act, how you want it to respond to you, right? You're going to be able to tell it who you are. You're going to be able to tell it what you do, more details about you. You're going to be able to tell it your memory. Not only that, you're going to manage the memory. It's going to take certain things that you tell it, and it's going to decide whether or not it's important and remember it in your overall account. And you can go and customize those things as well. But when you're done customizing all that, this is what I want you to pay attention to. Boom! Project folders for everything. All right, now just to let you know, there's 3 steps. You're going to create a new project folder. You're going to be able to do a lot of cool things, including pick your nifty little icon and what color you want it to be. All right, depending on what it is. If this has to do with school stuff, boom, you just customize it. Now you're going to say school, Full Sail University, bada bing. All right, create project. Now that I have a project folder for my schoolwork, I'm going to be able to do a couple different things. Now that we have a project folder, I'm going to go down to one of my other ones, personal development and needs. I have a lot of things in here. I have my workout coach. I have my to-do list. I have my stretching. I have a lot of different things to do with it, but also I have files. Files are almost like the memory of this. It talks about the different, my body style, my body type, different medical issues. I've had surgeries. It talks about the things that I never want to eat, the things that I should eat. It talks about the different code index and how to identify things. So I could just take a picture of something at the store and it tells me exactly whether or not I should be eating it or whether I can eat a little bit or not, right? And I have everything, including my home gym that I got in the attic, boom. So it knows a lot about me off dribble. But up here, boom, triple dots. We're going to go there and we can also edit the instructions. Just like on our personal account, we can make project instructions. So it knows exactly what we want from it, how we want it to respond, how far in depth we want it to go with its answers. You know what I mean? You're going to be able to customize this in ways that it gets to know you, all right? It's going to be able to respond in ways that you want it to respond. It's going to understand what you need. It's not going to overlap. There's a lot of different things that you can connect it to that we're going to get in other videos, including, connecting it with your Google Calendar, your Google Drive, your Gmail, everything. It's going to be able to help you with a lot of different things in agent forms and such like that, but that's future videos. Right now, I want you to focus on simply going over, customizing it, personalizing it, right? And then creating project folders that are full of instructions and project files so it knows it has a brain and a memory and it understands what you're trying to accomplish. And you can see you can accomplish a lot just by doing that. All right, guys, this is Mr. Therapy. It's another one, bro. I'm just trying to help you stack odds in your favor. Hit the subscribe button, all right? Show some love. I'll see you on the next one.